Guys, dito tayo sa Sagada, sa Blue Soil. So, ito yung Blue Soil.
Blue Soil Hills is a notable attraction located in Sagada Mountain Province, Philippines. It is a part of the Marlboro Hills, known for its unique blue-colored soil that creates a picturesque landscape. Visitors can enjoy hiking and trekking in this area while marveling at the stunning views of the surrounding mountain ranges and the sea of clouds. The Blue Soil Hills offer a 360-degree panoramic view, especially during the cold season when the fine forest adds to the charm of the scenery. This destination is a must-visit for those seeking a tranquil and scenic outdoor experience in Sagada.
Mas lalong nag-blue siya daw pag mabasa. Blue soil here in Sagada.